Hello students, now let us see how to make sentences in present perfect continuous tense. In the earlier video, I have shown you how to make sentences in present continuous tense. Now let us see present perfect continuous tense. The difference is the formula is have or has plus been plus present participle. That means ing form of the verb. Now let me tell some sentences in the present perfect continuous tense. I have been working here for the last 10 years. That means still I am working. That means I have been working for here for the last 10 years. Means time is given actually last 10 years. He has been traveling since February. To emphasize the continuity of an action that began in the past and it is still going on. I have been living here for last 8 years. To ask a question beginning with for how long, since when. For example, since when you have been waiting for her? For how long has he been working? Means what answer you can give? She has been working. He has been working here for 10 years. So, one important thing you have to remember is in the present perfect continuous tense, we use since to indicate the starting point of the time of action. Present perfect continuous tense, we use since to indicate the starting point and for to indicate the period of time. Okay, if you are telling for 10 years, 2 years, you use the word for. And if you are starting from the starting point, then you can write since morning, since evening, since last 2 days. In this way you can make sentences. Okay. So, present continuous tense only says that the action is continuing in the present but says nothing about the past. But present perfect continuous tense says that the action is still continuing in the present though it began sometime in the past. You should be very careful in making sentences. For now, listen some sentences. Akash has been doing his homework since 6 o'clock in the evening. She has been working here for last 2 years. We have been studying English for 3 years. It has been raining since evening. All day today, heavy floods have been ravaging a number of states in the country. So, when you understand the formula or the form, you can try to make your own sentences. Thank you.